Welcome back to Add Art. Today's Add Art was suggested by two lads, Dylan and Arthur. They asked me to draw a skateboarder, so that's what we'll be doing. Now before I do, I just wanted to remind you that if you subscribe below, you'll know when I do a new drawing. And if you want to make a suggestion, get a grown-up to leave a comment on my Insta account, which I'll give you at the end of this video. Okay, let's make a start on the drawing, shall we? First we'll start with the skateboarder's head. Come down to the chin and up the ear. Give him some cool skateboarder hair. Put the eyes in, looking down at his board, concentrating. Smile. We'll give him a hat as well. A lot of skateboarders tend to wear these sort of woolly beanie hats, so we'll give him one of those. Now if I'm going a bit fast, don't forget you can always press pause, catch up and then hit play again. Just putting some detail on this hat, as though it's knitted. Let's give him some more hair tucked into that hat. Okay, now I'm going to draw his arms, and they're quite high up because it's almost as though he's jumping. He's doing a trick which is known as a kickflip. So he's made the board jump by doing an ollie, and then he's jumped in the air and he's making it spin around before landing back on it. So I've got his arms raised up, almost like when you jump up in the air. Just putting his baggy t-shirt in. And this is his left leg. And all we see of this one is just the front. It's almost as though he's kind of lifted it up in front of his chest. Shoe in. A sole. Give him some baggy clothing. Skateboarders tend to wear quite baggy t-shirts and trousers. Helps them to do these sort of tricks. This other leg in here, it comes up. And we take the line just behind the other one. Put the other shoe in. This one sort of side on. We'll put the laces in. Let's put his arms in. It looks a bit strange with just a t-shirt. So fingers. Let's do the other side. You really get a sense of him jumping up in the air even before we've put the board in there. Okay, and talking of which, we need to give him a skateboard if he is a skateboarder. And we're doing this, the actual board bit, and this they call the deck. Put that in. And it kind of turns up at each end as well, and that helps them to do these jumps. Wheels in. The wheels are held onto the board by these metal trucks, they call them. I know all this because I used to skateboard when I was younger, so I was quite excited that Dylan and Arthur asked me to draw this. Four little screws to keep that in place. Continue the board. Do the same the other side. My daughter now goes skateboarding. She's a big fan of a skateboarder called Sky Brown, who's only very young, but she's representing Great Britain, skating at the highest level, and she's probably 11 now, but incredible talent for such a young age. Put those in. There we and there's our board, and because it's kind of turned to its side, flipped round, we'd probably see the edge here. So just finish that off. Put a shadow underneath to show that it's lifted up into the air, and some of these kind of flip lines, so it's been spun round in mid-air. So some of these jumping lines by his arms. Okay, that's looking good. So we need to give him somewhere to skateboard, so let's put him in a skate park outside, shall we? That's a brick wall behind him. There's a lightning bolt on his t-shirt. They tend to have quite cool graphics on the t-shirts and on the boards. You can choose what you want to draw on his t-shirt, and you could take some time designing the skateboard as well. Let's put some graffiti on this wall. So it's spelling skate. I'm doing this quite chunky. Graffiti tends to merge the letters together, so I'm just trying to do that. They often make the letters themselves quite illustrative, so let's turn this one into an arrow. You can slot the E just in there. Just give it a border. Helps emphasize the have these dribbles coming down as well, almost as though the paint has run. And we can put some bricks on this wall. Rather than doing bricks all the way across, we can just do the odd one or two. And it gives a sense that the whole wall is made of bricks. We can put some sort of graffiti picture. Now, skateboard decks tend to have quite crazy pictures on the bottom. I remember having one when I was younger that had a skull on it. So let's do a kind of crazy looking skull. Some mad eyes there. Do his jaw. We'll just give that an outline. Get a bit more like actual graffiti. A few more bricks. And that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed drawing our skateboarder doing a kickflip. Remember, if you've enjoyed doing that, then hit the little thumb button and give me a thumbs up and a like. I appreciate that. And if you subscribe, you'll see all the new ad arts when they come out. And if you get a grown-up, they can leave a comment on my Instagram account, which is @ad_art_king. And yeah, you can ask me to draw something and maybe I'll choose yours like Dylan and Arthur's. But that's it for today, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.